Drawing atoms. Okay, so inside we have the nucleus. I'm going to change this a little bit. So we're going to start out with helium. First thing you have to do is find it on your periodic table. Helium, right here. With helium we have our atomic number is 2, and our atomic mass is 4. So our positives, which are here, our number of protons, we have 2 protons. In here we're going to put P2. We're going to change this to a 0. This is our number of neutrons. 4 minus 2 equals 2, so we have 2 neutrons. Okay? This is our nucleus in the middle. Okay? For helium, right now our protons equal our electrons. We have a different number of valence shells. Each one of these rings is called a valence shell. In our first ring, you can only fit 2 electrons, and that's all we have here. Okay? We have 2 protons, so today we have 2 electrons. I'm just going to draw them on here. 1, 2. You can put them anywhere on that ring. Let's do one that's a little bit bigger. Let's do sodium. So sodium, periodic table, atomic number is 11, and our mass is 23. 23 minus 11 gets us 12. That's how many neutrons we're going to have. 11 protons, 12 neutrons. So for sodium, our protons equal 11. We're going to change this minus sign to a neutral, which is just a 0. And our number of neutrons is 12. 12 plus our 11 adds up to 23. We now need 11 electrons. For valence shells, in the first ring, you can only fit 2. So we're going to put 2 here. In the next ring, we can fit up to 8. And the next ring, you can fit up to 8. Okay, but we might not necessarily need all those. So, first ring. 1, 2. Next ring can hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now, so far, we have 10 electrons on here. We need to get up to 11, which means in this last ring, we're going to put 1 more. And that's how we draw atoms. Nice and simple. This is our first model. We'll be doing a few other ones. But go ahead and you're going to fill out the rest of these: beryllium, nitrogen, boron, neon, magnesium, fluorine, hydrogen, sulfur, chlorine, aluminum. And you'll also draw them for phosphorus, carbon, and lithium. Okay? Nice and simple.